Imagine cruising into the future on 3 wheels, but not just any 3 wheels. This is a machine straight out of science fiction, designed to turn heads and change lives. The 2026 futuristic camper tricycle RV is here, and it's not just a ride, it's a revolution on the road. What if I told you your next home doesn't need a mortgage? What if you could escape the daily grind, ditch rent forever, and live in the kind of freedom people only dream about? Keep watching, because what you're about to see might just make you rethink everything you know about travel, living, and adventure. This isn't your average camper, and it's definitely not your typical tricycle. It's compact, sleek, and wildly futuristic. Built with intelligent space-saving tech, every inch of this ride is optimized for life on the move. From solar-powered panels stretching over its aerodynamic body to a fully electric drivetrain that gives you insane mileage without ever touching a drop of fuel. This camper trike is built for tomorrow, but it's available today. Slide open the futuristic gullwing door, and you're stepping into a space that's more like a tiny home than any vehicle you've ever seen. Ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, smart glass windows tint automatically in the sun, and a full voice-activated control system lets you change the temperature, dim the lights, or cue up your favorite music without lifting a finger. You're in command, and this cockpit feels like something from a sci-fi movie, except it's real, and it's yours. Worried about space? Don't be. The interior transforms. With a push of a button, the compact lounge morphs into a comfy bed. Storage compartments glide open silently, revealing hidden tech, cooking tools, and even a compact washroom with a hot shower. Yes, you heard that right, a hot shower in a trike. The future doesn't ask you to sacrifice comfort. It just makes everything smarter. And let's talk about mobility. Unlike bulky RVs or vans, this futuristic trike can go where others can't. Narrow roads, tight city alleys, rugged mountain passes, you're in and out without breaking a sweat. Its AI driving assistance handles tricky terrain and parking like a breeze. Built-in 360 degrees cameras, radar, and self-leveling suspension make sure every ride is silky smooth, no matter where the road takes you. But here's where it gets truly wild, it's self-sustaining. With high-capacity solar cells, wind turbines that deploy when parked, and a battery pack built for long hauls, you can go off-grid for weeks. No camp fees, no plugging in, just total independence. This camper doesn't just help you escape the city, it helps you escape the system. And the design? It's a masterpiece. Sharp lines, neon accents, retractable panels that glow at night, and a panoramic dome for stargazing. You'll look like you're piloting a spaceship, and honestly, that's not far off. People won't just see you coming. They'll stop and stare. Because you're not just traveling, you're making a statement. This is more than an RV. It's a bold answer to overpriced housing, environmental destruction, and burnout. It's a new lifestyle on 3 wheels, minimal, mobile, and mind-blowing. Whether you're a digital nomad, an adventurer, or someone just sick of paying rent, the 2026 futuristic camper tricycle RV is your ticket to freedom.